In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send bulk emails with Outlook. We'll walk through a simple mail merge that lets you send personalized messages to many people at once, without revealing everyone's address on a single email. Start by organizing your recipients in a spreadsheet. Open Excel and create clear column headers like first name, last name, and email address, then fill in your contacts and save the file as an Excel workbook or CSV. The email address column is essential for the merge to work, so double-check that it's present and that every address is in the right column. If you prefer, you can pull recipients from Outlook contacts, or you can type a new list directly in Word, but having a clean, saved list ready will keep things smooth. Next, draft your message in Microsoft Word. Type the email as you want it to appear in someone's inbox, and add images or hyperlinks as needed. Switch to Web Layout View if you want a more realistic preview of how the content flows. When the body looks good, go to the Mailings tab, choose Start Mail Merge, and select Email Messages. This tells Word you're building an email, not a printed letter. Now connect your recipients and personalize. Click Select Recipients and choose Use an existing list, then browse to your Excel or CSV file. Place your cursor where you want personalized details and insert fields. You can use greeting line for a quick salutation, or insert merge field to drop in items like first name inside the text. Use preview results to flip through a few entries and make sure names and links appear correctly and the spacing reads naturally. When you're satisfied, it's time to send. Click Finish Merge, choose Send Email Messages, and enter a clear subject line. Pick HTML if your message includes formatting or images, or plain text for a simple note, then confirm. Word will hand everything to Outlook, which queues and sends each message individually. That means recipients only see their own address, keeping your list private. Keep Outlook open while it sends, and glance at the outbox or sent items to confirm delivery and spot any errors. That's the full process. Thanks for watching.